Okay, I had to find some place that was quiet enough to do this unboxing because it's kind of loud in my house right now, but something's in here with me. Okay, it just came a few minutes ago. Unboxing, and my hair is like really wet looking. It's really flat to my head. I just did it this morning, so it's not dry yet. Okay, so this is for this month, but this is what's in the box. We have enriched with vitamin E coconut oil Dax. I don't like coconut oil in my hair. And this Ideal Edge Control with Black Jamaican Castor Oil, Super Shine, Firm Hold, No Flakiness by Dax. Pure Flaxseed Gel. This is step 4 of something. Again, they have threw some stuff in the box. It's like at this point, like what else? What more could you say? Can we say? Looking into this brochure, I see that the brand spotlight was on CurlMix, and then they also have them on the back page here. But there was only one CurlMix product in my box, as you've seen. My box was dominated with Dax. So what is this about? And Dax for Naturals, this is the styling pomade. And it says with broccoli, seed oil, and passion fruit oil. So we got 3 Dax products, 1 Lusters Pink product, and 1 pure what's the CurlMix? I guess this is by CurlMix. That's the name, CurlMix product.
I know she's not in this truck.
Yes, I am. I needed peace and quiet to do my unboxing. Thank you.
Sadia in Asia room.
She's always in Asia room. Oh, see, I'll be interested in trying this edge control because I've been looking for edge control. This smells really good. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't like coconut oil on my hair. My hair doesn't like coconut oil. It's not that I don't like coconut oil in my hair. My hair doesn't like coconut oil. This feels and smells good. This castor oil is not just castor oil. Nope. It's a lot of other ingredients. It has soybean oil and at this point, what else can we expect from Curlkit? Like, for real though. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. You know, even if you don't like the box, like, I get it. But if you like your girl, thumbs up the video. For me, not for Curlkit, for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you click the bell and make sure that you are subscribed if you subscribed in the past, because sometimes you miraculously just get unsubscribed. I don't know. But just check, double check back to the channel often for new uploads. And don't be shy, say hi, comment down below. And until next time, Lord say the same, you'll see me in the next one. Oh, my hair is all right. I got 2 different products on this side, 2 different base products, but the same styling product. So I'm interested in seeing how it performs over the next few days. But yeah, I haven't did the edges or nothing like that yet, so don't come for me. Say, girl, you need to do your edges. Oh, but I do have next month. Let's see, this would have been my last Curlkit box, but what was, I'll talk about that next month.